Hey everybody, Golden Guy here, and I'm here with the third episode of Unturned. Looping berries. So yeah, I'm here with another episode, and last episode we died again. It's such a fail of this series. So we respawned here next to this lighthouse, and we're gonna go check it out. Now, last episode I had a backpack, but it was the worst kind of backpack anyway, so I don't have to be that sad about it. Die, grocer zombie. Oh yeah, there's actually some details about this game I forgot to tell you guys about. As you can see, the zombies is like farmer zombies. I just killed a grocer zombie. There's worker zombies, farming zombies and stuff. There's even Canadian Mountie zombies. It's pretty ridiculous, but certain zombies, zombies rarely drop stuff, and it depends to, I'm gonna call their class, like a farmer class or whatever. It depends on what kind of class they have, on what they drop. Like the construction zombie, I killed one that dropped a ladder before. The grocery zombie can drop food and drink, sort of like that. Ooh, baseball bat. So yeah, I had a doctor zombie drop adrenaline once, which heals you. That zombie! One hit kill, yeah. Take that. Alright, nails, clip. Can't use. Batteries, buckshots I'll take. Just cause. Nothing else here I want. Not a pocket knife either. Let's go down. Shells, a golf club. Baseball bat's better. Or it's actually the same, but I like the baseball bat better. It attacks quicker. Alright, so let's head this direction. There's a Summerside Peninsula this way. It's a golf course. It's funny. You can find items next to the golf flags too. Well, ironically enough, there's a golf club right here I can pick up and use as a weapon. That's funny, but I've never found a golf club next to this before. But ironically enough, it's there. And so heading towards the peninsula. It's just a couple of houses, a couple of shacks. So yeah. Use a zombie. Yeah. Take that. There's a wooden shield here. Why not? Why not? We'll throw it out when we have to. Doctor zombie died. Yeah, it's very rare for zombies to drop stuff. I've actually come across a zombie that dropped a Colt before, which is a gun. Well. Die. Moldy cabbage, I believe. Yeah. Yeah, if you're gonna find a kind of food like that, that's not in a wrapper, it's gonna be moldy. Like, there's cabbage, carrots, potatoes, tomatoes, and corn. You find all of that moldy, but you can also plant it, and it'll come out unmoldy once the farming process is done. Moldy bottled water. I don't get how water can be moldy, to be honest. If one of you did, I would like to know. It's just kind of weird to me that liquids would be moldy. I don't get that. I know like milk can be chunky, I guess. But, just let me know. Yeah. Civilian armor. Cannot lift. I wonder how heavy it is. Let's drop my baseball bat. Okay. Now I can make this stuff back up. Loaded corner and a bayonet. Sorry, I cannot pick you up. A bayonet goes on the bottom of your gun. Ah, dang it. And if you use, if you press a certain button, ooh, school bag. If you press a certain button, you will jab with your bayonet on the bottom of your gun. And it's a 2-hit kill to the head on zombies. Let's get some buckshots and slugs. Well, now that I have a school bag, I have 2 extra rows of space. So that means I can pick up that bayonet. Now, let's go this away. Up there, it looks like there is a crash site, and there's an ambulance there, along with 2 crash cars. I actually can't tell with my eyes from here, but I've like been on this entire world, the map. I know what all of it looks like. But sometimes that car right there, it switches from ambulance to regular car to police car or whatever. So yeah. What? These zombies are dead. This stuff is looted. Who's been here? Who has been here? There's an arrow. Who's... Oh, there's someone here now! Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! It's Jonathan! Kill him! Dang! We both killed each other! No, wait! He killed me! Oh, so close! Man, no! Oh, it's always by him! He killed me with the stinking maple strike! Oh my word! This keeps happening! Oh! Man, you! Brrr. This guy drives me insane! Oh! I thought I had him! Dang it, how many times am I gonna run into him and him kill me? I always find him first, but he always kills me. Dang it. That place again. Why do I keep spawning here? I don't have a cot or sleeping bag here. No, I don't. This is ridiculous. Not again. Oh, wow. Yet again. Be sure to check out the Person 484's view on that. Dang it. I'm just sad about this. Ooh, this has gas in it. Let's drive it away. My word. Well, I just don't know what to say. Well, actually, I do, or I did. I just said it all. Well, maybe I should reloot the military base, because maybe stuff respawned like these zombies. Well, let's just loot it. I guess this stuff hasn't fully respawned yet, but we can still loot some of it. Come here, buddy. I want you dead. Oh yeah, you've probably noticed that when I've been talking stuff respawns over time, like items and zombies. So yeah, not vehicles though. Vehicles don't respawn. I think that makes sense, but I got a punch without getting hit. Yeah. Well, we're just gonna take what we can from this military base. I can't believe I ran into him again. I mean, he's stalking me. Not really, but it's wow. I can't wait to see his side of the story of this. I can't wait. Man. This is crazy. Die. Die, you. Just fall to the ground and die. Okay, military bullets, why not? Nothing here but a 6-inch scope. That's pretty cool. Zombies. Die. Ow! Don't munch me! I'm not on whatever freakish zombie menu you have. Stop it munching! I'm not on your menu! No menu! Thank you for finally dying. Okay. Dang it! 40%, I'm not on the menu. I'm not a munchy thing. I'm not potato chips. I'm not human potato chips, okay? it's the chili hood from when the person in 44 killed me. I'll just put that on and be a ninja mask. I'm a burglar. Coming in to steal all your military stuff. Stab it! I guess it's my, on my part, letting him munch me. But it's a little laggy. I mean, I know it's weird. They're just like going forward and stopping, and going forward and stopping. That's because, it's really glitchy. And when you have a computer that I do, it's really glitchy when zombies just move and stuff. Yeah, sorry. It's really dark for you guys probably right now, because it's nighttime, as you would imagine, and the more hurt you get, the more black and white your vision is. So this isn't good. That's an empty gas can. It probably isn't even worth going here. Why can't I pick you up? I mean, I have a room. Die, zombie. Die, and die. Okay. What? Oh, thank you. Alright, is there anything behind here? Yeah, there's a rag I'll use. Get 5% more health. Why not? I have a feeling all the zombies respawned, but none of the items did. Because so far there's no new items I don't remember seeing here before that spawned yet. But all the zombies are respawning. So that kind of annoys me. There better be something up here. Come on. I left that there. I left there. Come on, does anything respawn here? I don't think anything did but the zombies. I mean, actually 6 scope and the military bullets respawned here, but barely anything respawned here. Because you usually find a lot more loot in this. So, I'll just go ahead and finish checking out the rest of this place. Armor fatigues, I'll put those on. Yeah. Barbed wire. Ooh, I can set a trap here. Let's put on those armor fatigues. And this magic cape. Oh, magic cloak. It doesn't do anything though, even though it says it's magic. It's a lying cloak. It lies. What's under here? A tactical light. You know what? I know these purificate liquids and stuff, but I'm just gonna eat them to get rid of some of my, radiation. Just barely any of it. A zombie. Yep, there's my car. Or my car I tried to run over the person 44 with, but it wasn't here. Oh, memories that just happened like 30 minutes ago. Yeah, and I don't think the items... Oh, there's his barbed wire. Ha! Ha, I dodged it. Ha! Another 6 zoom scope. Colts. Maybe I can put all this stuff on the Colts. Aha! We got a weapon now. Alright, 6 zoom scope. It doesn't really zoom. Well, it kind of does, but, you know. Can I put a tactical light on it? No, I didn't think so. Oh, we'll leave that other 6 zoom scope. Alright. Let's back up the car. So we can get right here. Yeah. This is where we want to be. Now, what's right here? Binoculars. I won't take that. Blood bag! Yes, blood bag! That might sound kind of gruesome, but this actually heals you a lot. And since I'm at 35%, I desperately need it. Sweet relief. Colors coming back! It might not be as dark for you guys. Alright, found some binoculars. I'll show you guys how these work. So you see the binoculars? If you hold on the right click, And you see all the way over there. You might not be able to see anything in this darkness. If so, I'm really, really sorry about that. Alright, I want to set a trap somewhere with this barbed wire. Oh, that's the timer, guys. Alright, let's use that rag. Oh, we didn't need the rag. Well, I wasn't going to pick it up anyway. Alright, here's what we're going to do. We'll put the barbed wire right here. No, we won't. We'll set the traps next episode. Because there's a cow drop here too, which is a trap. Well, this is this episode of Unturned. And see you guys later.